Okay, using cosine of theta plus I sine theta cubed, find an identity for cosine of 3 theta. So you're going to expand using Pascal's triangle. You're going to have cosine cubed of theta plus 3 cosine squared of theta, and then multiplying I sine of theta, the quantity, plus another 3 cosine of theta, and then you're going to do I sine of theta, the quantity here, squared that way, and then at the end you're going to have I sine of theta quantity cubed. Okay, the powers also have to add up to 3. So it's going to be cosine cubed theta plus, now put that I out front, so it's going to be plus I, 3I, let's say 3I, yeah. And then cosine squared theta, and then sine theta. Okay, for the next one now it's going to be I squared, which is -1. So it's going to become -3 cosine theta, and then sine squared theta this way. And then at the end it's going to be I cubed, which is -I, you can check if you like, and then sine cubed of theta this way. So you have the number now. And from e raised to the I 3 theta, from the exponential form, we know that cosine of 3 theta plus I of sine of 3 theta this way. So cosine of 3 theta is the real part, right, of this number. So that means directly above the cosine of that 3 theta there, that would be equal to the real part of that number up there. Those are the parts without the I. So cosine cubed theta, and then minus 3 cosine theta, and then sine squared theta this way. Now we just have to bring this into a form with cosines only. So cosine cubed theta minus 3 cosine theta. Sine squared can be replaced with 1 minus cosine squared theta. So then it's becoming here cosine cubed theta minus, well, now be careful. Yeah, it's going to be minus 3 cosine theta, and then it's going to be plus 3 cosine cubed of theta, and then combine them into 1. So it's going to be cosine cubed plus 3 cosine cubed is going to give you a 4 cosine cubed of theta minus 3 cosine theta. And that's usually the accepted form of the expression. You can repeat this just as well for the one with sine of 3 theta. Leave that to you as an exercise. Please leave a like if it's been helpful.